Hello everybody, welcome again to this YouTube channel Civil Edu Online। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने हाइड्रोलिक्स और फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो वो वीडियो आप देख सकते हो, और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए भी हमने वीडियोस बनाए हैं फॉर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रेलिवेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम। तो प्लीज़ एक बार उसको देख लीजिएगा। तो इस वीडियो में हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे विथ मोर क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस वीडियो इज़, if cohesion between the molecules of a fluid is greater than adhesion between the fluid and glass, the free level of fluid in a dipped glass tube will be, correct answer in this case is, lower than the surface of liquid. Obviously. Next question, the rate ratio of inertia force to dash is called Euler's number. Euler's number comes into picture. You need to remember that Euler pressure. So it is always pressure force. Next question, a one-dimensional flow in one which option A is uniform flow, option B is steady uniform flow, option C takes place in straight lines, and option D involves zero transverse component of flow. So correct answer is, it involves zero transverse component of flow. Next question, according to Manning's formula, the discharge through an open channel is, where m equals to Manning's constant. Option B, A into m into small m raised to 2 by 3 into I raised to minus 1 by 2. That is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next question, dimensions of surface tension are, as you know, surface tension is force per unit area, unit length. So the dimension of force is m1 L1 raised to t raised to minus 2. So dividing it by the dimension of length, so L raised to 0. So we get the correct answer, option A, m1 L0 t minus 2. Next question, an opening in the side of tank or vessel such that the liquid surface with the tank is below the top edge of the opening is called weir, notch, orifice, none of this. So correct answer is notch, because notch is used in the tanks. Weir is not used in tanks or vessels. So correct answer is option B. Moving on to next question. The property of fluid by the virtue of which it offers resistance to shear is called viscosity, because from the viscosity we derived the Newton's law. From the Newton's law, tau equals to mu du by dy. So option D holds true, hence viscosity is the correct answer. Next question, coefficient of velocity is defined as the ratio of actual velocity of jet at the vena contracta to the theoretical velocity. So correct answer is option A. Next question, a liquid compressed in cylinder has a volume of 0.04 meter cube at 50 kg per centimeter square and a volume of 0.039 meter cube at 150 kg per centimeter square. The bulk modulus of elasticity of liquid is, you can find out using the formulas and mathematical jugglery. So correct answer would be 4000 kg per centimeter square. Next question, the mass of 2.5 meter cube of a certain liquid is 2 tons. Then its density will be, correct answer is 800 kg per meter cube. So option D is true. Next question, a fluid in equilibrium can't sustain, option A tensile stress, option B compressive stress, option C shear stress, and option D bending stress. So correct answer is shear stress. Next question, when a plate is immersed in a liquid parallel to the flow, it will be subjected to a pressure less than the same plate is immersed perpendicular to the flow. So correct answer is A. Okay, if it is immersed parallel to the flow, then it will be subjected to a pressure less than the same if it is immersed perpendicular to the flow. Actually, if it is immersed parallel to the flow, then the pressure will be 0, and pressure will only act if it is perpendicular to the flow. Okay, next question. An object having 10 kg mass weighs 9.81 kg on a spring balance. The value of G at this place is 10 meter per second square. Option A is correct answer. Next question. A flow is called hypersonic if the Mach number is, option A is less than unity, option B unity, option C between 1 and 6. See, if it is between 1 and 6, then it is supersonic. Okay, so obviously if it is unity or if it is less than unity also, it will be less than supersonic. Hypersonic is, you can say that it is hyper than sonic, so it comes above supersonic. So none of this will be correct answer in this case. Next question. Liquids cannot be compressed. They occupy definite volume and they are not affected by change in pressure, temperature. These three are options. Out of this, no option is correct. So none of this is the correct answer. Next question. When a cylindrical vessel containing liquid is resolved, the surface of the liquid takes the shape of a paraboloid. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. A fluid is a substance that, option A, cannot be subjected to shear forces. Option B, always expands until it fills any container. Option C, has the same shear stress at the point regardless of its motion. And option D, cannot remain at rest under the action of any shear force. So option D holds true in this case. If we apply shear force, it will not at all remain under rest. That is also reason if we spill the water, then it spreads, because if we are spilling, then shear force is applied. Next question. The force exerted by moving fluid on an immersed body is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum due to the presence of the body. This statement is called Newton's law of resistance. So option D is the correct answer for this case. Next question. The property of a fluid which enables it to resist tensile stress is known as, option A compressibility, option B surface tension, option C cohesion. So correct answer is cohesion. This cohesion is the force acting among similar particles. So if there is a one material, particles of one material, if they have a attractive force, then it is called cohesion. So correct answer in this case is option C. Next question. The loss of pressure head in case of laminar flow is proportional to, it is only proportional to velocity, because you know du by dy. So the loss of pressure head is proportional to the velocity. So correct answer is option A. We will continue further with more questions in the upcoming video. So please stay tuned. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel, and please share the channel so that many people can get benefit from this. Thank you.